Hello everyone, Michael here from Cerulean Sonar. Today I'm excited to share with you our high resolution and long range imaging sonar, the Omniscan 450FS, now compatible with the Chasing M2 Pro Max. In this video I'll give you a quick overview for using the Omniscan with the Pro Max, so you can start capturing stunning underwater images in no time. Now that we're back in the office, let's review the SonarView logs from our scan of the century-old barge. In this clip, you'll see me sweeping the ROV to paint the image of the barge. Thanks to our patent-pending Doppler motion tracking technology, we can capture movement without external positioning, providing excellent real-time situational awareness. Despite poor camera visibility, we were able to locate the barge at long range and navigate to it with ease. Here's another clip I took with two Omniscans set at 90 degrees to each other. This configuration offers 2D Doppler motion tracking, capturing both forward and lateral movements for even better situational awareness. You can configure Omniscans at any angle and use up to 4 units simultaneously. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the demonstration. To learn more about the Omniscan and explore our full range of products, please visit us at ceruleansonar.com.